Director of JHDS. Khotbah Madam Manfa.
Thì đó là step mình ngày nhiều play khu rồi ini mình làm mình luôn lắm ini hall mình cái program và young creating paralegal volunteers through training on laws, welfare schemes and advocacy skills. Thì anh nhiều play là người ta cái này bạn thì baru ngày hôm nay ông đây bên ai ya chính quyền Grom dari tanggal Grom ya di guest di this is Shubha inside ya welcome speech so I'm just here to facilitate guest here thì con hi ông gì facilitate you play pada kru berdoa ini dan angka ini keluar di dokumen dan di dalam chief guest jury is Ferdinand B. Basan, MCS, very additional Deputy Commissioner John Cruz dan Hills di sisa dan kata-kata bidang mereka lagi di Kroy Berbuat bantuan ini yang program but bidang ke same but empower but I war ya di Breu to the sea yang itu hero kami ingin sedang South Hayward ki Breu volunteers and you said why we could have create more so we are very thankful to you and you are very enthusiastic to empower the people and when we talk that day I could understand that you love and you like that all our people should be empowered especially to know the different yang mengidon yaitu Sister Shubha KP idai director jongka social action for human rights but idai rugi advocate for Guwahati High Court. We would like to facilitate Sister and Sister very happy that you are also the secretary of the Labor and Migrant Commission. So we facilitate you with a flower so that you will bloom wherever you are, especially when you are in the
Sister Shobha, Advocate, Guwahati High Court, Director, SAFHR, Madam Manfa Pakem, Babu Henrik Soor, Head Catechist of Saksing Parish, Ms. Esbun Mitre, General Secretary of JDCYM,
I'm sorry, I don't know Khasi. So at least I should have one word, that is Kublai. Okay, so thank you so much for coming in big number. I must thank Bishop first of all taking this initiative and Father Manfa working very hard to get all of you from the villages to be part of this program. Every time we come together for the church programs, okay, with the Bible, with adoration, with the faith, with the rosary, we discuss a lot of things, and the Jubilee year is coming. We are all in discussion and lot of programs we are conducting. So this is a very different kind of program. The same, we have a Bible in our hand. We also need to have a constitution in our other hand. It is said like this. Okay, every family, if not every family, at least every village, okay, every office should need to have a book called Constitution, so that the things what we learn in the Bible is also part of the Constitution. The values of the Constitution you find in the constitution also. Okay. So today we are with a very different purpose here, that is to know about our rights as citizens. Okay. So if someone asks me, you might have heard the word democracy a very many times. Have you heard the word democracy? Yes. Have you heard the word democracy? Yes, we have heard. Okay. So we keep talking democracy, democracy. India is the biggest democracy in the world. All these things we keep hearing. So what if somebody asks you, what do you mean by democracy? So if someone asks me, I will surely say it is my participation in the governance. You know the word governance?
You will be given a certificate after attending this one. Now, AEP certificate, sometimes we are youngsters to me, but I give it a hand to my baby, my partner. MBI Harishnam, Manda Harishnam, Haripur, the deputy Patel and Mahimo, Jo Sam with the VDP, volunteers, village volunteers, you keep it too. You keep Harishnam. You get a hand, the Harishnam, not Harishnam, Tikanya Harishnam, human rights. These are some tips for us, maybe, as volunteers in a locality. I can have some down this now, maybe AEP can teaching a guy, first aid, first aid, because only 3 days, only 2 days. They can first aid, even if you're doing a guy, justice, MPDQ lawyers, just few tips. Not only for the Christian line, dan ada yang malam, dan yang Imam kesalahan jadi orang pada lain bagi di sistem. Sampai cucu yang di sistem, kamu lawyer, dan advocate, bahwa yang di sistem ini pada pun macam mana
Penjaman ci semua ye ci tip jungan ko masuk ke kedan jong kita kejepit ya ki kam dijam ki bede bagi ke sorkan tentang ngaji penyan ki berbeda kamtam ya ke bede buat kumno gaji long jingman dengan distrik jungi jong wese dia berkoe dengan sukumen sibone ban yo interkan pi ne ban juru sukumen ba na kalian coba yang bisa lah belum punya kan program kepada Deva kepada Doi Perane Karbanha pergi itu dengan iyo belum tahu tak sopoman dengan boleh sopoman ini bertip susu ya ki berapa jenis apa distrik ini ya ke kau hok jogi pada hok jogi bila iyo lengkap tip jogi ya ki an ya ki rule ya ki beda kita guidelines kiba lampu dan ke constitution yang berindia kujur but kiwi ki kita guidelines jo ki nugi schemes ko berohe nata orang kam yang berhenti bahar yang dijual kam ani shop ni asyik tahu engkau itu karena iwi karena ikut berhenti baca ngaji jangan baca lapor bah narang blog officer. Karena aku di sini kat bangaran show office ngarang board kita bijak dengan itu karena kita staff semua yang silai di plan ini menong dan lihat urut nampak minat kami macam itu. Kan banyak kita kabur dengan dia minat dulu kita kajinya discuss ini lawan room UAE teman, lawan room UAE teman, but now yang kalau rumah yang boleh bagi kami skim of teman yang dia makluman tentang skim of teman orang tak ada kibat yang ngawat tak kisnya awak tak kisnya tengok alih syok tak ikut dari teman bila hai yang pun yang sensitif kata indah syok kita yang boleh kami kisnya apa veterinary department yang dia veterinary department nami no office joki orang dia ke office ba isnya kawan non tahu senyap awan non tak kesan senyap jawab dia kasan senyap itu boleh ngalah ada senang kasem senyap nama bisa cuma hampa dia muda mau boleh hampa dia tipsi nama na kiong ba kita kimari langsung ba kinsa siri kalau nang snas mungkin nalayo bisa na blog kinsa siri ina kali lagi malah kalau nando nang kali na ko ado ba kina yang ko Andre bunsi ni kam sosok bagi sisok ni cikau lagi kematngan ni cile kum bautit ni kike but anda saya orang ni sam nasab yang ni le kumlo ni passion ni le kumlo ni ndar le rapi Andre heroi pi ba ni su ni do boxibo bagi dan hari kebagila ba ni yen bagi ni ba ni kau jemi Baladam dan mai kau kini dan kita ki office सरकार को फेर कि baham an ai ki PE keluar फेर mo tapi me beliau ilang kelar umno yang jinong jiman jom ka secara tapi me matai biasa ba umat makan di mo pa jom ka rizu Uklam ra sulai from ra wai bini eksa lagi paling cua bini kau secara mereka ini berkunju pi ba uleh kita di rukong ban bini yang kecil
other form of government existing. So the king himself was the law. Whatever the king said, the subjects had to agree. The subjects had to do. Whatever the queen said, the subjects had to follow. So that was it before. So the king himself was the law. But these days we have the laws. These laws are governed by, implemented by whom? By the government. We have a system in the countries. We have a system to control the behavior of the human being. To control the behavior of the society. So we have a constitution and we have thousands of laws in the country. Some of the laws are made in the Parliament of India. We have the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. And some of the laws are made by the state legislators in the state assemblies. Right? So since we do not have much time, I will not go too much deep into the meaning. It's to contain the human behavior. What does it mean? That means to control the human behavior. You cannot eat this. Supposing you cannot eat drugs. That is, the law is controlling your behavior, your action, your activity. You cannot cultivate drugs. You cannot produce drugs. You cannot manufacture drugs. You cannot possess drugs. Okay? You cannot sell drugs. You cannot.
It is compulsory, they have to do. Okay, they cannot say no, central government, if they go down, then rice is over, so you cannot distribute anymore. No, it can never be over. They store in such a way that for the security to give food for the people, the food grains are stored already, enough and more in the godowns. So it can never be over. It's just getting some places over the years, just getting rotten, eaten by rats, and they are throwing. So instead of
buat negara udah tempat mengkepor untuk dilaro di bawah sah untuk yang nak mulai lah. Yang bayu kelai nasional ini ada terus tahu ada. Mungkin tentang warga negara tahu negara bro, saya baru yo dah sah. Macam sekali dia cerita buat dia agak.
no, sometimes this atta and the sugar or the things they have stopped most likely. So I am giving you an idea. Okay, how to find out. What are the things available? So we will be teaching you right to information. To right to information, just simply put an application. You know how to write an RT application. We are going to teach you. Okay, and just in a plain paper, only to this department, this officer department, what we are telling, food and civil security, office. You need to ask only what are the things available. From you can put the date. As per what are the things available under food, civil security. Particulars of family members. Okay, that is address, name, proper name, everything, and copies of birth certificate of a minor member below 10 years in age. Okay, birth certificate. Certified copy of the relevant page of the voter list, whether you are a national, you are a member of the member of that village where you stay, whether you are an Indian. Nowadays it is the question asking whether you are an Indian or a Bangladesh, you are a foreigner. Okay, very important. So they are asking for you to attach a copy of your voter list where your names are there. Copy of tax pay, the land revenue. Okay, any of the documents, whatever you have. All these documents you have to annex with the form. Surrender certificate of ration card, family identity holding or non-availability certificate from the application was previously resided. So if you wanted to transfer, you have to get an NOC from that FCS and CA. Food and civil supplies and that office you have to get a no objection certificate to transfer your ration card.
Boleh di child marriage di daw iwa bon di daw no wa mencuang kok dari India ni kena dua tapi kampan kena enhai kudang hian tapi kata halis nam de pendia di pari ki Henry da kini ke jing pendia dan pencong kurem ke ki bagi pari ki mi ki bon jai ki jing jenjar ke macam di nukong no ko ke kia yang di cakta do di mana pun gila bon tiba yo ke puri ikon di pa wati da man kena ikon da man kena sekopi kemen ngam cak ago kau pun di te emlek sadai do nom gila ya ka education mudo gi jing nang start yo ke la school kam tam ikan hai dan ni tahu kumu yu betul yang MU da kumu pijan betul yang
work in hotel there, master or not. So now again, sometimes it comes to 1 month, then again the same like that. It comes to 1 month and a half, then just allowance of employment they never give us. And when we inquire, they said that the problem is not from us, from the ministry, no. So that is what we got the answer from them. Now what I need to say is that. In that case, where should we complain?
Go down. Up, sorry. Let me show you first. It is coming from the Ministry of Road Development, Mahatma Gandhi Manrega from Delhi, Krishnagar. Down. Now, here, what is saying? In reference to earlier organization dealing with this, request to settle. Okay. Down. Okay. That as per section 30 of the Manrega Act. Section 30 of the Mahatma Gandhi Guarantee Act, they are saying Schedule 1, state governments, okay? States are mandated to appoint ombudsman for each district. Do we have ombudsman in your district? Is Jaitia Hills, West Jaitia Hills? Find it out. Who is the ombudsman of the district? Then any complaint concerning job card work, you can complain to this ombudsman. Ombudsman, okay? Ombudsman. This is issued from the ministry, from the government. Ombudsman. Now, what you get there, the complaints you can be given is the VDC, the first and lowest one. Then you have the block. You have the block development officer. Yes, you have the video, right? You have the block. And you can go to the DC, the deputy commissioner. Okay? And nothing happens. The right person is the ombudsman.
Legal Volunteers Day, Legal Service Day, okay, Legal Service Day celebration. The first Legal Service Day celebration on 9th of November, and they had it in Delhi, okay. Now, how many people know about it? many people know about it? You will be trained as a paralegal volunteers. You will be also involved into legal services, free legal aid to how to help the people into different issues and things like that. So all this lot of laws, schemes and everything is passed in the government, but the people do not know about it. So that's why the executive, legislative and the judiciary is their boundary duty. Government, whenever there is a law is passed, which is already one clause is made there, to give information to people within 3 months, 5 months, within 1 year, it should be made known to people. So who make known to people? This right to information itself is made in 2005, I told you. But till today, how many people know about it? How many people know to write a application? So this is the duty of the government, that the Department of Right to Information officers, they are supposed to give you this information while it is so if we have a healthy leader, we have a healthy democracy. The foundation of healthy democracy is to have well-informed citizens voters. Well-informed citizens who vote. So if I am well-informed, I will decide whom to elect. If I am not informed what is happening in the government, what is supposed to happen in the government, what the government officer is supposed to do if I do not know, then anybody comes up, I don't have any problem. So if I know what the government is supposed to do, and if I know today they are not doing, then next time I will not elect him or her. It's my duty. It's not only it's my responsibility, my duty. My vote is my responsibility. Where I will take my government, where I will take my country, my responsibility. So the right of the voter to know the biodata of a candidate. Now the government, the court has made it very clear. It's in one of the decision in the Supreme Court again that every person who stands for election should publish their biodata. We can make any kind of biodata today, but then you should really know where that person is coming from, which village, which family, what is the background of that person. Is she or he a healthy person? He has a sound mind, sound heart, helping out the people. He has a general. What it says, every citizen has a right to get information. Who has the right to get information? Any Bangladeshi can get information from India? No, every citizen. As it is said, this information can be get only the citizens of the country.
What is your department of office? Last scheme. Okay, LSP. Okay. So, this is my last scheme development block. Okay. And if you are trying to submit it in the DC office, to the Public Information Officer, Office of the Deputy Commissioner. Office of the Deputy Commissioner is Jangir district. Okay. On the top, I will bring again. I never write to the director. Even if the head of the fishery department is director or secretary, or there is a vice chancellor in the group, don't write to the
political rights, and then the personal rights, the MP, economic and social rights, the cultural rights. Pun jai imam itu di ham pihak di jaga di bentar di terbuk begini. The apa constitution yang ile, the constitution of India. Hadiah nu berdua ia the independence house nam kat di semak semuanya. Menipor cina lagi ia constitution. Usnam kat kendi semak semua. Ông mà để đồ số con nhau, đồ số vấn đề, travel implement travel yo ia the constitution yang ini. The chim langi yang kini ki declaration ki em ki ông phải kini ki hop long rumah dulu ki wali dah declare ki kata kaya universal declaration of human rights. The chim langi yang itu ki rights ki bobo ki hatu tu declaration pentap ki hapo constitution yang ini. Begini hapo constitution yang ini dem ide kod iki kan ki fundamental rights. Fundamental rights at the em langi bagi directive principles of state policy. Hak itu boleh diberikan. Tapi benar, metai right meskipun in details, yo betai pi yo kanai pi ki di ki rights ki em ha kante kan po fundamental rights ki rights ki em ha po ka equality for
Jadi kita langsung kita ni dalam di kelas 11 dalam middle class.
Ye kante yo po ka ki kata je kate kelas kedua je ni apa kate ni kelas kedua first class second class middle class lower class apa jadi em juga kamu juga ini benar jadi em ini ki menepur ki hepur orang ni
Manggo kedina ke tri dan manggo kubi ke burlum uwa jem perwan rak yang imam salam akaluti ke wabai akaluti ke wasuk akaluti ke em kajing suk ladang am gani terkemur lada ngaye dekat wam pije dekat wam ladang am ai ladang am ko terkemur kawan rajin pun margo ngai pije ngai pada kawan rajin pun margo dekat sistem yogi lagi dekat structure yang kajin besar yang dikam ai yang dikam benar dan am bentago nai de am de kajimut kawan ulai di dengan di keduti dan di UM dengan di kejing besar atau kejing besar kau hok kau man free kau man fair and square kapuri the rule of law ni dia hak kejing besar yang ketika sistem ketika structure kau ini kat tu kat ni tadi di jingmu dan kawan kong hawa kejing besar yang ikam lunar yang ikam si kejimut ye go wanra yang kejing ya dah wakinu kibru napi lagi kinu kibru le ikam si le ikam lunar ke waktu ya ke songsai yang ber im langsana to nang kong ko DM katu kat ni teliti kendon ki ai ki pun hal se hakim lang salam ki wapas daka government state ladang sedang nanti kulit terkemut kino ki kamsi kino ki kamunar ne bagi jo kamu kok di bawah center dalam wasdam terkemut ne bagi waktu itu ne mi ne beda di kulit mangki ki orang kongdo Ite iwale hok imom le hok do koi chmat mo andre jwa ai pentit chuki wa kawan kom do na do was dam tu e FIR dan yang kino ki report ada media ke kamera yang ki to kalet ki lagi wan ragi dari upat gi yang ki saki satar ki yang ame te kem bile yang itu kiwa desi dan ki wale arnar Iwa awalnya tok kino case. Teko ar yang kamha ini tok Indonesia judiciary mo. Mendadak berarti kulit case mendadak berarti kulit ki hak ini tak cukup.
Tetap sampai sekarang naik. Karena itu kan ketika kuasa itu kok ini semua. Jadi harus kita besar. So is you deserve to be there. Orang akan tu aku bayi apa sih itu lawyer ni dia nak so there is a convict in district jail. So he was in Shillong. Actually now he's supposed to be out. His term is over. But when he was transferred from Shillong to Jawai, the verdict of whatever they say that he has to get one paper from Shillong, what they say. So that paper got lost. It is not him who is going to be done, but the jail authority. So the jail authority in Jawai, they know very clearly that he is supposed to be out, but he has exceeded his term for many years already. But till now he is still there. So is there a way how to get him out, or if he still deserves to be there when he already completed his term? Is there anything that we can do for this kind of person? So that is my question. Is that real incident?
Akan sih sekian ini, no bro, lagi kanu bro, em kahok yang dipulit, tadi yang judge, Jadi ya kino kibu ho jeng what chimet ele lada untuk sang chong itu. Sisi lada itu kemudian ketika right to life liberty yang artikel 21 constitution yang ini ke artikel ke hak yang ke jinglong bru ke hak jingman bru yang lada kita ke kemudian kita jadi percaya.
Ini inang kuclong yang dari India atau uyok i yang kohok pyongki. Umho i yang kohok pyongki. Pakam jule uyok i yang kata free legal assistance. Umut uyok i yang lagi dah kebor yang kesorka. Kamtam yang itu zon kuat uhim yang di kita private hak ini jingkan pyongki. Dan kewaan to kani ke section list pasu yang kani ke CRPC. Lani kata kuat kuli kani ke PSS. Dan ni wan ke section list pasu yang besi RPC ka hari ini ka register over wa state government to uplugi tani ubi bisa di na tentang di koidi tani kini gibru tiwa chapset apa top tani itu gibru tiwa la patok la ente wadang la di case di dan ini ke section make sure ko wakila mohon sa ipin do waman di koidi le nomor saya ini nama IM di jaja kalau pergi langsung le linda untuk perform atau doyo nah ayun kesem di kita MK yang ini pilih dokar di koi le dan ini koi sagani artikel khakso wa artikel artikel yang the Indian Constitution kini di artikel artikel man jiwa kambah yang ayati hak wa artikel khakso ka make sure ko wa now pi yo i yang kata justice ko pakar justice ko claim cha le chiang le ni claim cha pa chiang de ka hak ni ka artikel khakso ka make sure ko wa do watla ko boyo majon wa ra lan sa umho cha le chiang ni andre atam kata ka equality before law de ka artikel 21 make sure ko wa ini ke basic rights la ni ka basic dengan dalam kamu berkumpul kami kesenjung yang kecil yang kena mandai umum dekat orang musuh kosan senan dan ini hal boleh apa lagi kita sama mereka kecil ikai sama kita kecil perwandu yang di yang kena di program skills which we learn in the leadership training program. Why is this skills required? You need to listen, hear the person who is talking to you. Suppose a poor man coming and talking to you like this happened with me. The VDC has, for several times I have approached the chairman, the secretary of the VDC. Okay, for what? For job card, for maybe for some schemes. But the thing has happened, they have not provided me any benefit of any scheme. So we are listening to that person who has come to get your help. Okay, that listening skill you should have. Listen, understand the issue. And what he's trying to tell you, understand that, and how are you going to advocate for the right of that person? So listening skill, communication skill, you're explaining him about the law, the provisions of the law, his rights. Okay, there is your communication skills, listening, communication, and then fighting for the right of the person. How you should know how to write well. Maybe you may need to write an application to submit in the office of the VDC, maybe in the office of the BDO, maybe in the office of the Deputy Commissioner. Maybe you may have to write an FIR. You have done an FIR today, right? First information report. Did you learn it today? No. First information report. Okay. So supposing a person comes to you, a person in need of help.
You pertama tadi di free legal aid, no? Free legal aid bersenyawi dan itu mikro kibali bulan. Kemudian haplai gini hari ini ada yang kena training. Dan tidak ni di grup ya si motivate is the best in the hills. Ni bahang sedang boy lelai di grup yang ini lelai boy ke boy lelai di district. Dan kemudian lelai district come ke grup haplai no? So something we have to do. So maybe this is first training for them. They are not much aware. Maybe first they can do as a group.
Yes, yeah.
Then when they are more capable, when they are more capacitated, then they can do maybe individually or in small groups.
You can also maybe suggest to divide them into 4 groups.
4 groups.
What do you say? It will be easy for you.
Yeah, okay, then the
40 people, 10 people each.
Well, then there are 2 groups. So now they will, in group, they will discuss what they they
A few
do.
things what they
Okay, so maybe we can suggest to them and then they can choose from there.
Exactly.
Maybe they are not able now to think what they can do.
Yes, yes.
Atau lihat tunda yang pernah senang kan? Kami kami pelan itu madan menuju mana atau office yang senang. Pintu lihat itu buat kami perkai ya, you lang buat bahasa. Tak kalau kita tak ada, tak ada masalah, tak ada masalah. Tak habis semua. Kayak menunggu pelan ya, menunggu ya.
Karwan, di zaman lawan yang terlalu body ini Indonesia. Dia semua ini kamu buat itu baik semua. Dan we orang baru di kamu dan penting desa di dalam sekolah ada semua mantan ya orang mau ini free kali buat yang bermasuk yang serap yuk semua tu yang ini ya dan ini kes ceramah bahaya ini dan perlu dalam diolah satu jadi yang belok adalah semak itu lepas berjun bagi kami ini jadi sebab bukan saya pernah semak itu
skim temen dah cenang mu, orang biar lah. Itu skim Jepang yang itu di, Jepang itu di berrap lah, itu di skim rap mu, idang guna biar lah. Orang dia im ham pun lagi. Oh, mungkin kita mungkin example lah, misalnya jangan saya, bukan MG kuat gitu. Pun nanti kami bisa kita saat ini. Kan mungkin tip lebih dari mana. Saat konsep kita lagi cinu tu biar nar. Tapi tu macam
di skim ki benefits yo nangka sarkar sah kam tamyo pha khwai account ki yo ro tong song song bhai ki temen le you all extension and kam limba ka account ti students le ulai school ani man yo scholarship ki hap limba ka account ti kini ki job card holder le lem account ki sampoi wa nanti lah
mut hak anu ke tarik plan bhi kedu banai plan bhi le ni kam
jam sak ini di benai Januari Europe lah iloi
Januari
ya cuti ambil lagi dengan krei berusaha
buat plan video awareness program yang Pak Iba
yang
senang
kan yang senang itu
udah ke tahu plan video lah
itu lah komiti hal yang senang
tapi setiap iya ke senang ini kusak senang saya pun senang buat target ini
ini cari senang ini ada roy yang
kawi
boleh apa
kami pun
kantam saya kendong untuk motif aware bahagia ini fasilitasnya bu syukur roy mana usah
pelani yo permani yang awareness program ini madan intro kita harmoni road itu ông mình đem sự lặng một số số này đúng không? Tới là sau đây trong một em cam về chính ông bò làm cái lòng mong tin và ý được ngày chân được bắt xoay đó để ông đã làm được cái này có thằng ông phải drop abuse kamu harus dengarkan ini proses di konsumen yang drop kita ada drop no teman-teman itu dapat dari yang resource person karena naga yang berhal, ui, kamang naga yang ai, kamang dah beri naga advocate yang menjadi asal dan itu ada programan yang pun ia bawa meng khatam hari ini senang ibon ki, kamang ibon kejadian, balang beras senrai, ban kiri balang ibon dan pembayi langgar ibon ini untuk menaik senang terus dan seterusnya kontak ini sengontak nak kita speak di mana. Ini teman-teman pulau yang teman-teman film pelang bukan. oleh orang kita tapi khusus pesan ada yang yang ada yang police department dan kedi dak pelang kau pelang doa ni di bentar yang percaya di hadap yang kes pakso kam tam hak di sana
Virginia yung kahapon yung piniki like yung cha ko like yung cha mundo yung kahapon yung ki dan ini among kita sisi kopi hidung kita nak baby ambil satu boring itu pada jadi problem isi ko mekaniani rapuna ya ni praktis lebih kami yang ini develop itu am cepat dekat hab konsentrasi bagai ini akhir dari eki usak kulunuma lagi bunga leo mana jamit ông mà y bài nó xỉ cam khát tỏng cam tè đó untuk cam service vi thao học em pun chạy cái procedure học lễ nào yêu của cái chính là phải untuk đi á the needs and objective terakhir lebih boleh phải untuk to improve industrial relation and to minimize industrial dispute em cam ke niga labor law nam yêu yêu dah di cái chính á bom siang tu cuma seperti nong iki và nong ki mana yuk di bawah film, baik lagi film yang rindu itu trade union, itu ki driver, lene tu ya ki transport, bon haji nanti yuk ki te kecing doang ki, let's strike you know, terajuk mu baik film ni.
Nyok usah jumlah amendment, jumlah amendment. Kini ki after ki amendment di betah pekasorkan terang ada yang penting yang kita local governance. Susu padang tu pada local governance dalam berkerja yang tak sensiap empat laduk nak tenterai, laduk nak tenterai, laduk derbar senam, haduk buat central government. Kejingkan cok ini ki local governance dalam kebadan kam hidup kata-kata, banyada bagi berkeduk yang ini kiripai, padai libang ini lala sibun berpenterai kam laduk berai kepar, haduk banyada, nak kino kam sendiri. Silang kita yang katakan PSDC, right? Ini apa? Ini pojok JCDC dan JCDC yang buat jaga JCDC. Yang kita ke local governance kembanglah mana? Ya ke local governance seperti bentar. Ini kau siapa ikut bentar. Jangan di local governance. Gimana dia nak respon ayu? Kata ada rural bat ke urban. Apa rural kadang ka JCDC kahima lani ilaka bat ka dorbar senam. Jadi kesal tu li kita kiba kesorka ka itu perpang kumba ngala on menne bat JCDC kadai ka hajram du. Padai ka JCDC ka bapai bat kini bakandang ngajing ngajbat bat ga nanti lakadai ka jimbo nanti yang ian yang kiwe. Kesorka India airport haki district council persenaan halal ini dijaka kiba apa jimpai jimbi jongka pandai nak katakan daw lasna rakho yang ian dibangin tim yang ka punta JCDCA usah JCDC pak benar kita ian itu kan itu ian isu napoka JCDC kasih hanya autonomous district council hai idan rupak ian kiba KJCDC idon kam ban pengkelar ban penuan ban penggaya jing idon kam jogi pai maksud senang pai maksud senang jong kajan itu
kidam bagi di to ki be de jikai yo Yesus na gospel yo Markus kelenong ko kanar ko lemui o Yesus ong kani bat kani kadai kaum kemaan hidai bagi yau marjan bumi lagi di balai kita kam isnai ini balai kita kam social work balai kita balam tadi kita kam social work kalong ban namar ke jingi yau marjan to nagadau bengi yau marjan ujisu uhikai bagi jingi yau marjan kadai kebentar kawasan jom kejengin Kristan juga. Kebamut ngimla balong ki Kristan ki basisya lada ngimbe ya ki para merjan. Jadi ki para merjan juga. Ki para merjan juga hidai ki berengkam ya kejengera. Kemang ya siam menit bersibun berengkam ya kejengera. Jadi kita hidai para merjan juga. Pada dilong ki Kristan ki basisya hidai ban yarap ialah perang berjan, ban badi ia perang berjan. Kebar, haga cengkim jong Yesus ban cengkim jong kebaram. Midon kata ke bagi om, preferential option for the poor. Kejingjian iki baduk, kejingjian iki baduk ki barang li. Tiga ketimu belai, ke keren syafhang kejingdon gam, bat sumar, bat ban yarap ia ki baduk ki barang li. Kibasyam jenjar, kibasyam sitom, haka iklan masalah.
Bau cisun ya tese ya kijingker ku hapdeng jungki ngiger pa te me ku try minuai la penta kari baro kawai ma kandon le ke Yesu pada ma kalian ikat pa te me ku try minuai na penta kilon kumi lokpan kun samla jong balang jungi ba kinanong sisang takinatia jong Yesu Bakilon kinuksa bapa ya kiwe ikat pa kemi betray iwai kapalo na tentang jual assist jungi ba try Yesu nang shanbol yang kipadungi nak kenya ban semua kitin jong Suk itu baru presya kuat sejeng kawai jeng ukun langgron.